Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Minnie, the editor of Gnail channel. This time we will show you how to do glitter greige nails, and I'd say this design is for those who love simple and pretty designs. You can check the tools the manicurist uses in this video in description. I sometimes do my own nails, but there's this glitter gel that I hardly ever use in the back of the drawer, and I asked our manicurist if she can do something that I can use, let's say hidden glitter gel. Firstly, she's making greige color by mixing shiny blueberry, peach beige, grey and cocoa brown. And this peach beige has got shimmery glitter in it. Well, when you make greige color gel, you don't have to have exactly the same color gel as she does, because I don't. And you can always use similar color gel or similar color tone to make your own greige gel. When you mix color gel, you can use spatula or palette knife, but if you don't have them, you can always use toothpick instead, and it works perfectly. And as I'm talking, she's made the perfect greige gel, just like that. It looks very pretty. It's got chic vibe to it, and the most importantly, it's not too loud, if you know what I mean. Once you finish making greige gel, you can start applying the gel on your nails. And I will be back later. Hello, it's me again. So once you finish curing the first coat, you can now apply the second coat on your nails and cure them. Well, maybe it's just me, but I'm so bad at applying the gel or nail polish on my nails, so it's always satisfying to see professional manicurists doing their own nails. Alright then, I'm going to be back again. Okay, so once you've finished curing the second coat, it's finally time to apply the top coat gel. I think the color gel that I've got in the back of my drawer will not be sad anymore because now I know how to use it. So if you've got a color gel or glitter gel that you hardly ever use like me, perhaps you can mix it with other color gel and it could be your new favorite color. And here's the final look. What do you think? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.